Now, I will explain how to fix the tracking issues in CapCut on your phone, ensuring everything works smoothly again, as you can see.
To begin with, tracking doesn't work well if the object is blurry, or if the lighting is poor, especially when the object moves quickly, as you can see. To fix the issues I mentioned that cause tracking to fail, it's essential to ensure a clear object, good lighting, and a contrasting background. Good lighting and a contrasting background are essential. If it still doesn't work, carefully try using a different object for better results, as you can see. Simply change the face in the shadow, or perhaps use small objects, or even try a uniform background, as you can see here. It may not recognize either. If that still doesn't work, simply try restarting CapCut. After that, let's see if the issue resolves itself. I believe everything will work for you, including tracking, and all will be just fine. Thank you for watching. Wishing everyone good luck, and saying goodbye for now. Goodbye.